2025, brand spanking new. Got the Audi RS3 5-cylinder turbo. Really sick ride right here. This is basically an Audi version of the Golf R, but even sweeter. Audi design, got the Audi color, Audi exclusive color. I think Porsche also makes this color. They stole it from Audi. All right, so what we're doing is just a custom midsection. We're getting rid of the resonators. We're popping 2.5-inch pipes all the way through from front to back just to amplify the sound. Customer likes the way it sounds, just wants it more aggressive. He does have a valve controlled muffler, as you can see. Got the valves in the back right here, valves in the back. So it does control the exhaust tone. You have a button inside that makes it a little bit more aggressive, makes it quiet. You want to cruise down the street, be sleek, you know, stealth mode, comfort mode, no exhaust tone at all. And then you want to really open it up here, that 5-cylinder turbo roar, performance dynamic mode in the Audi. So like I said, we're just amplifying the tone, getting rid of these resonators. Has a couple crushed pipes in it. Not a huge fan of these things. They're actually pretty damn restrictive. I don't know what this dimple is. I guess it's for clearance. And then you got this resonator, restrictive resonator. Still straight through, but does expand flow a little bit inside and makes it quieter, which nobody really wants, guys. So, you know, but thank God they're doing it because giving us some business. So shout out to Audi. And like I said, 5-cylinder turbo, all-wheel drive, monster Audi, especially for Audi A3, RS3. This thing's a tank, bro. Wait till you guys hear this thing. Got the mid pipes done. This thing's sweet, bro. I actually like this car a lot. Look at the complete redesign. Got the Quattro because it's 4-wheel drive, baby. Carbon fiber, flat finish, which is pretty sick. All new redesign. This setup comes actually on the new Jettas, which is pretty dope. Then you got the sunroof, pretty pimp. And you got the box stitching, our Audi R8 honeycomb style RS seats, which is pretty pimp. I mean, I think this sounds great, man. It's not too loud. Still has a valve controlled muffler in the back. You got an RS button right here. You got dynamic drive selection here, which is pretty sick. Car goes really quiet when you put it into comfort. Really quiet. And then you put it into dynamic, hit that RS button, and then boom, lap times. Weights it up, weights the monster up. I actually wish this thing was a little bit louder, but it's still a 5-cylinder turbo, and it's a luxury vehicle at the end of the day, so you don't want it annoying. But if you do have an Audi, an RS, an S3, an S4, S5, RS5, we do it all, man. We do everything from AWE to custom catbacks, resonator deletes, muffler deletes, all available at Gexhaust.com. And if you're local, Gexhaust Davie, Gexhaust Oakland Park, Gexhaust out, guys.